In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and configure a checkbox in your form editor. We'll start right inside your form builder. First, open your form and click on Edit Form. This puts your form into edit mode, so you can make changes safely without affecting any published version until you save. You should now see your form layout in the main area, with a panel or toolbox where all your field choices live. From that list of choices, find and select the checkbox option. A checkbox is perfect for simple yes or no confirmations, like agreeing to terms or opting in to updates. Once you've located it, click and drag the checkbox onto your form. Drag it to the exact spot where you want it to appear, and release to drop it into place. Most builders show a highlight or guideline so you can tell precisely where it will land. If it's not quite right, just click and drag it again until the position feels natural in your form's flow. With the checkbox placed, look to the right side of your screen for the settings panel. This is where you'll write what you want the checkbox to display. Keep the text short, clear, and specific, so users immediately understand what they're agreeing to or selecting. For example, you might write something like, "I agree to the terms and conditions," or "subscribe to occasional updates." If your builder shows a label and an option text, make sure both are consistent and descriptive. Good wording prevents confusion and reduces the chance of incomplete submissions. Next, decide whether this field needs to be required. In the same right side panel, you can turn the required setting on or off. Turning it on means users must check the box to submit the form, useful for legal acknowledgments or essential permissions. If the checkbox is optional, leave the required setting off so users can submit without selecting it. A quick rule of thumb: require it only if the form shouldn't proceed without that explicit confirmation. After you're done adjusting the text, placement, and required setting, it's time to save. Head to the upper right corner and click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes are saved so nothing gets lost. That's it. Your checkbox is added, clearly labeled, and configured exactly how you want. By following these steps, you've made your form more interactive and precise. Thanks for watching, and great job refining your form with a neatly configured checkbox.